Hey guys, it's Sam from TopmaQ, your go-to source for gear for industry. Today we're taking a detailed look at our wide range of Platinum Pro vacuum cleaners available here at topmac.co.nz. First up, let's take a look at our wet and dry range. An essential machine in any shop, a wet-dry vacuum is versatile in its operation. They provide powerful suction, picking up nails, screws and other pieces of debris, which would otherwise destroy other domestic vacuums. It can also vacuum in a wet environment just as well as a dry one. The materials never pass through any electrical or mechanical components. The motor unit is separate from the collection chamber to prevent any potential for electrical shock. The vacuum can be used to remove a fine layer of dust or empty a basin of water. The wet-dry vac consists of three major components: the bucket or collection chamber, the motor unit and the hose. The motor sits atop the collection chamber and drives a fan which draws air through the collection chamber and hose. The air is then vented out through the upper portion of the vacuum. Our wet and dry vacuums range from a 15 litre to a massive 80 litre capacity, a great selection to supply the right vacuum for your needs. The smaller two are compact, easy to store, lightweight and portable, perfect for smaller workshops and garages. The larger two include a built-in drain hose for easy emptying of the canister. And the 80 litre comes fitted with a 15 amp plug, as opposed to the other 10 amp models. It's rated at a whopping 3000 watts. Its three motors make it incredibly efficient in controlling the power, whether you're cleaning a small area where only one motor needs to be used, or using all three for the extra boost when required. Now we'll dive into our electric drywall range. We carry these two models. Both use a water filtration system, where dust and small particles enter the vacuum and goes through a first-class filter bag, then pass through the connection hose to a second-class water filter, where the dust separates in the water, expelling fresh air. These two models also have an automatic power outlet to connect a sander or appliance. When using this function, the vacuum turns on automatically during sander operation, then turns off automatically when the sander is finished being used. This is so you don't need to keep turning the vacuum on and off constantly. They're perfect for plasterers, stoppers and sanders. This model features a higher quality filtration system, allowing it to handle even smaller particles. Its low-profile design is sturdier and uses a double inlet structure. The top inlet is used as a standard vac to suck up bigger particles and is fitted with HEPA filters and reusable bag. The bottom inlet uses water filtration for finer particles. Regularly used for cleaning out fireplaces, we carry two models of ash and dirt vacuums. Both models have a metal-lined hose for additional safety. The smaller unit requires regular filter cleaning to prevent blockages. The 25 litre has the added blow function and built-in filter tapper to knock off ash to prevent blocking, along with a removable cloth filter. On these models, you can disconnect the hose from the vacuum side and plug it into the exhaust port and create a strong blower. You can also use this feature as a basic inflating tool for blowing up an airbed or inflating a kid's paddling pool. If you're needing a smaller vacuum cleaner for more commercial applications, we've got you covered. Our 2 litre 1400 watt backpack vacuum is perfect for around homes and offices. Alrighty guys, that's us for today. Make sure you get down and check out our full range of vacuum cleaners and more in store or online at topmac.co.nz. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you smash like. And for more reviews, tips and tricks, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Sam from TopmaQ, and we'll see you next time.